Good morning guys, and in front of me is OPPO K11 and let me show you how to enter secret codes to this device. So first of all you have to open your phone dialer, then go to keypad, and here we can enter the codes. Let's start with the first one, and it's *#06#. And here you get your email number. So smoothly by entering this code you can quickly and easily get your email numbers. Tap on OK then. And let's enter the second one, which is *##225 *##. And here we've got the calendar info, so you can smoothly read all the upcoming events that you have. You can stay up to date all the time. Let's go back then. And another code that you can use here is *##426 *##. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and also status. And once you want to get a bit more knowledge, get just some more advanced view, tap on more and then click on advanced view to enroll it. And that's it. So actually these are 3 codes that I wanted to share with you today. You can enter all the codes the same way. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.